Luscombe Motors Leeds are proud to offer to the market this lovely 14 plate Ford B-Max Z-Tech. Finished in stone grey metallic, the car's covered 48,077 miles. The car's partial service history, as we have no data for 2019 and 2020, but the car was serviced in January of 2021. Previous to that, we have a full record. The car looks striking in the stone grey metallic. And alloy wheels. Moving round to the rear of the car. Typical for B-Max, we have a large boot and rear parking sensors. This car really has been looked after inside and out. No visible marks on the bodywork. The alloys are in immaculate condition. So let's have a look inside the car. So when you open the door, you're greeted to a roomy interior with ample seating for 3 passengers in the back. Cloth seats. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox. The car has got air conditioning, there's a DAB radio, folding mirrors, once again air conditioning and rear parking sensors. To the left hand side of the steering wheel there we have your volume buttons and channel skip buttons with mute. Really is a stunning example of a 14 plate Ford B-Max. I really do not anticipate this car being here very long, so if you'd like to book a test drive, please do give us a call. It's 0113 277 6099, and thank you for watching the video.